Hello guys, welcome back to Indian by Chef Chami. Today we are making classic pad thai. It's rich, savory, slightly sweet with a touch of tang. Let's get right into it. Here's what we'll need to make this delicious pad thai. Cooked rice noodles, eggs, chicken breast, shrimp, tofu, spring onions, lime, dried shrimp, shallots, palm sugar, roasted peanut, bean sprout, tamarind pulp, hot water, sweet radish, coconut oil, garlic. Let's start by preparing our tamarind sauce, which is the heart of this dish. In a mixing bowl, combine 200 g of tamarind pulp with 250 ml of hot water. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes to soften. Once it's cooled down, give it a good squeeze to get a rich, thick paste. Strain it to remove any pulp. We want a smooth tamarind paste for our sauce. Let's cook the tamarind sauce. Into a pot, add 150 g of the tamarind paste, fish sauce 50 ml and 130 g of palm sugar. Set it on low to medium heat and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Stirring constantly. Here's a quick tip. If you are unsure about the sauce thickness, spoon a little onto the edge of the pot. It should drip slowly when it's ready. If it's too runny, just cook it a bit longer. Now let's prepare the rice noodles. Here's an important step for the perfect texture. Soak your rice noodles in cold water and keep them in the chiller for 30 to 45 minutes. We are not actually cooking them, so this keeps them soft without getting sticky. Let's get everything ready. Slice the chicken breast. And thinly slice the shallots. Now let's get cooking. Heat a wok or saute pan on high heat. Add coconut oil. First, add the small dried shrimp and cook until golden brown. Keep it aside. Then add the chicken, cook until golden brown. Keep it separate. Next, add the tofu. Gently shake the pan so it doesn't stick. Cook until golden brown color, then keep it separate. Add the shallot and cook until lightly golden brown. Then add the fresh shrimps and sweet radish. Now it's time to bring everything together. Add your soaked rice noodles to the wok, followed by the cooked ingredients. Then add 130 gram of the pad thai sauce we made earlier. Gently mix everything on low to medium heat. Add in the eggs. Give them a quick scramble. Then toss in the roasted peanuts, bean sprout, and a spring onion. Give it all a good mix. And there you have it, a beautiful aromatic pad thai. Place it onto a plate. And garnish with extra bean sprout, spring onions, and a wedge of lime. Enjoy the taste of Thailand with this homemade pad thai. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Invisible Chef Chami for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video.